So what's your morning habits, your morning routines?
Um, the funny thing is, man, like I said, it's weird with me. It's weird, right? Because
Mhm.
people, they can build their specific morning routines. Um, I don't have there are things that I do every morning, but I don't really like just recurring things all the time.
Mhm.
I'm kind of more of a weird kind of visionary in the way that once things become just too recurring, I just kind of lose interest a little bit. Some of the
Mhm.
things that I don't lose interest in is just listening to audiobooks in the morning,
Mhm.
reading the Wall Street Journal, researching my industry. Um, I try to be active on social media. I was a lot more active probably year and a half ago. I'm not as active. I think I'm still a little bit consistent. I
Mhm.
just want to always stay relative to the community and the people around me. Um, but I try to do some effective posting in the morning. Those are kind of the things that I do before going into work. I spend some time with the kids, help Marisol get them ready in the morning, drop them off at school, then we go off to the office.